Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me. I wanted to pop on real quick and let you know that we only have, I think, 3 of the AJ March kits left. And the reason you're going to want one is because we're going to be starting a new project with this tomorrow. And it's a project that I have not done in probably 10 years or more. But it is going to be a journal. It's just going to be a different journal, not one that I have made in a long time. And you're going to need one of these kits if you want to make it, because there's something particular in this kit that is not in the other kits that we sell. So, and you're going to need that particular item for the project. Is that vague enough for you? But anyway, that's what we're going to be starting on tomorrow. We'll be starting on this new project. And I wanted to let you know that we will also, in the new project, we will be using some of Miss Betty's new tools that she has sent me to play with. Let's see, these are the same, so I can just show you one. She has a, what do you call it, 3D printer, and she printed these up. I call them cut, she calls them print. They're print and cut, I guess. But we're going to be using one or all of these tools tomorrow to kind of see how they work. And then we're probably also going to be carrying these items in the store. So Betty and I are talking about it right now. I'm going to make sure that she can, that we don't overload her with orders and she can keep up with all of that. But anyway, and I know she can because she never sleeps, so you know. But this is what we're going to be doing tomorrow. A new project. We're going to be using these new tools. So you need to tune in for that, even if you don't get this kit. Now, I know we're starting the project tomorrow, but if you order the kit tonight, then we ship it out tomorrow. You'll have it in plenty of time to pop back on, watch the video that I do tomorrow, and then watch the other ones through, because it'll probably take me about 3 videos to finish it up. And it's a beautiful, let's see, I didn't want to take it out. I'll link the video below where I showed this. It is a beautiful kind of purpley lavender. The name of the kit is Plum and Petal, so that tells you a lot. All right, I'm going to lay this aside. Reminding myself I got to start on that tomorrow. I also have 2 kits, and I say kits, these are going to be journals. I've started putting them together. They're both Easter. So both of them are going to be Easter. This is the one right here that isn't that beautiful? And I told you in the last video when I was putting these together how this came about, how I got this. So if you want to know, just go back a couple of videos and you'll find out how I got this vintage piece of lace. And then this, and the cover is some fabric that my sweet friend sent to me, and it is absolutely gorgeous. And no, I did not use it all on these, so I still have some for myself. And this one is going to have these particular pages in them. Look at this. Is this not gorgeous? And I know Easter is Sunday, but if you want to order this, we can get it out to you. Now this is going to be, I'm talking about a naked journal. In other words, what a naked journal is I take all of these pages and I take filler pages and I put it all together and I stitch it in the signature. Look at that. And then I send along a kit with it, a journal kit that has all sorts of tags and pockets and ephemera and more pages and everything that you can use to finish your journal. So a naked kit is just that. It is a kit that I don't put the pockets and tags and things in. I stitch it in for you and I send the kit with it, but other than that, that's all I do. If you want to purchase one of these as a naked kit, you can say you want, let's just say green, or you want the pink. And you need to email me to tell me that. Do not put it below because I may miss it, so don't put it below. But we'll fix these up for you, get them out tomorrow. All I have to do is just put the other pages in here and stitch in the signature, and they're gone. I mean, look at this. I've already got the covers done. So, and I started to go ahead and finish these, and I thought, no, somebody might want to work on one for Easter. So if you do, then you need to send me an email, and my emails are always below the, well, I can't get that back on. They're always below. All you have to do is send me an email and let me know if you want green or pink. And I will send you a bill for it. You can pay it, and then I will send it out to you. And it's not just this, it is the big kit that goes with it. It's a journal kit. In other words, I send you everything that you need to complete this journal plus some. So if that helps. All right, I'm going to put these aside, and I think that was all I was going to go over with you today. I'm finishing up an Easter journal that will go out tomorrow as well to someone that ordered it a while ago. And do I have anything else? Oh, some of you are already getting your virtual retreat kits. Wow, those went through the mail fast. Some say they'll get them this week, but anyway, the ones that have already been getting them, I've only got one question, I think, so far. If you have a question, you're welcome to email me and I will answer you. Don't put it below the video. The only question I've had so far is the tags and journal cards. Do you need to back them with something to get them ready to go in the journal? If you want to do that when you're cutting your tags and things out, that's perfectly fine. You go right ahead and do it, and you'll have yours ready to go in the journal. You do not have to. I think we'll have time in the classes to do that, but you might want to go ahead and have all of your ephemera and everything ready. And if you do, that's fine. Just go for it. But I wanted to tell you that. Also, like I said, if there's any other questions about the kit, then send me an email. You will find in your kit, in your envelope pack, you will find a junk mail envelope. I sent you a junk mail envelope. And we're going to do something particular with that. So don't throw it away. Don't throw anything away that you see in your kit. Even if you think it's packing or something like that, don't throw it away. I promise you, we're going to use it. We're going to use it. All right. I think that's all I'm going to do for this video. And I'm going to get on to finish this Easter journal for the person that ordered it. And we will talk to you guys later. I wanted to mainly let you know that we only have about 3 more AJ kits, and that big project will be starting tomorrow, and it is going to be a good one. So you need to tune in for that. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.